Okay, let's move on to an equation. Let's say 2/10 plus 20 over 10 equals x minus 2 over 10. So we want to find x. Here's my suggestion on this problem. Yes, I see they all have the same denominator. Who cares? I want to eliminate the denominators from the very beginning. So I'm going to multiply this by 10 over 1, this by 10 over 1, this by 10, and this by 10 over 1. Okay, I simplify, I get 2. I simplify, I get 20. I simplify, though I can't, 10x. I simplify, I get minus 2. And we are going to do this always, even if they have the same fractions have the same denominator or not. We want to eliminate them from the very beginning. Now I have to clean it up. Does everyone understand this step? Please say something.
Yes.
Okay. Only Oliver answers and Rachel. Everybody else is okay. Please. You have the obligation to stop me if you have any questions anytime. Please. Okay, now we have to clean it up. The left hand.
Your videos are really helpful in being able to go back and look at them. I mean, that's amazing.
I've been doing this for almost 20 years because I really think that students sometimes are able to follow, but it's a lot. It's over 2-hour class. Who can really stay super focused on a 2-hour class? So for that reason, I have everything: calculus, linear algebra, trigonometry, pre-calculus, absolutely everything, because it's not easy. And I wish I had another camera for you to see me, but the problem is that there is interference. I've tried that so that students can see me with another camera, my phone or something. There is interference, and it's screeching noise, and I couldn't fix it. Okay? So I'm begging, I don't mind begging, imploring my students, go back to the notes. And when you come across something and say, oh, I really think I need to watch that video so that I can see this and hear this again, I think it's wonderful. Because I don't want my students moving forward to have a shaky foundation. I want my students to have a strong foundation, and then you're never going to have any problems moving forward. You're going to teach others in the class. Trust me. So, thank you. I'm sorry I talk a lot. Thank you, Rachel. So, clean it up. 22, 10x minus 2. We keep x here. We need the other term that does not have x to move to the other side. It's a term. That's why I'm allowed to move it, not a factor. I cannot move 10. I can move a term. It has negative sign here. I move it to the other side. So it's 24 equals 10x. Notice, please, 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 this is a line with one equation, not simplified to the side. That's not allowed. This is another line with one equation. Left-hand side equals symbol, right-hand side. This is another line with another equation. Left-hand side equals symbol, right-hand side. This is another line, left-hand side equals symbol, right-hand side. Do not simplify or do anything to the sides. The reason is you always have to be in control. You always have to know which one is the left-hand side and which one is the right-hand side. If you continue to the sides, you will lose track of what you're doing. Okay, so now, of course, we have to divide by 10. So x equals 24 over 10, and we have to simplify it. And we'll simplify it by 2, and we get 12 and 5. So x equals 12 over 5. If we're asked to present it as a mixed number, can anyone give us that mixed number. Yeah. 2 and 2 over 5, indeed. Check. 2 times 5 is 10. 10 plus 2 is 12. Correct. Okay, so this was already 2.1 through 2.3. Now we're moving on to operations with mixed numbers. Operations with mixed numbers. Let's say we want to add 2 and 2/3 to 1 and 4/5, or 1/4. I recommend, there are other options, but I recommend, because we can, addition and subtraction, we can, we have other options. Not in multiplication and division, no, no, no. You'll see in a minute. But here, put the integers back. 2 times 3 is 6. 6 plus 2 is 8. 1 times 4 is 4, plus 1 is 5. Find the least common denominator, which in this case is
12.
Very good. Adjustments, that's nice because it's the product. So this goes up here and this goes up here. 32 plus 15. Do not be tempted to simplify, please. So this is 47 over 12. Yes, we have to take the integers out. So here's, I'm going to share my screen for a second. Okay, so I recommend do this. Divide 47 by 12. And you get an integer, and the integer is 3. So then you know this is 3. The denominator is still 12. Here's now the next step. 3 times 12 is 36. But I have to subtract, I have to subtract 36 from 47. So I get 11. And this is it. Any questions? Let's look at a subtraction. So let's say 2 and 4/5 minus 7 and 2/3. Take a moment, let's see what we get. Please put the integers back in. Find the least common denominator and then subtract. And let's see what we get. And then we'll talk about multiplication and division of mixed numbers. When you have the improper fractions, will you give them to me? Please. Can anyone give us the improper fractions?
10 is
So 2 times 5 is 10, plus 4 is 14 over 5. And this one, 7 times 3 plus 2. 23 divided by 3. Perfect. What is the least common denominator? This is a nice situation again. Good, very good. So then I need a 3 here and I need a 5 here. And yes, you can do that quickly, but careful how you enter in the graphing calculator. So you have 3 times 14 and then minus 5 times 23. Okay, so negative 73 divided by 15. And yes, a negative divided by a positive is a negative. And yes, you can divide 73 by 15 and you get 4 integers. So that is negative 4. 4 times 15 is 60, subtracted from 73 is 13. That's how we add and subtract. Nothing different. Just put the integers back for mixed numbers. Okay, let's see how we multiply and divide. Same way. We have to put the integers back in. Here there is another option. But with multiplication and division there isn't. 2 3/4 multiplied by 5 1/2. We have to put the integers back in and then we just multiply as usual. Can anyone give us the mixed, change the mixed numbers into an improper fraction and so we can multiply?
And 11 over 4.
Yes.
11 over 12.
Yes. Over 2. Yes.
Over 2.
Yes. Now there is nothing we can do here. 11 times 11 is 121. 4 times 2 is 8. Take the integers out very easily. You can use the calculator and you have 121 divided by 8. And we get 15. And then 15 times 8. 15 times 8, just the integer is 120. So 15 and 120 subtracted from 121 is 1 over 8. The same with division. Let's work on a division. 2 3/4 divided by 5 1/2. So let's take a minute and work on this problem, please. For those of you who came in later, please don't forget to register for the test if you want to take it. It's not next week, it's the following week.
So we registered for the test the week of the 23rd.
Yes, that's test 1.
Okay.
You have to register via Register Blast. Not during class time, please. So it's the same problem. I just changed the multiplication into a division. So we still have 11/4 divided by 11/2. But now we have to change the division into a product. So we have 11/4 times, what will I write?
2 over 11.
Indeed, thank you very much. And now I can simplify. 11 with 11. Please write the 1 so you don't consider it 0. 2 divided by 2 is 1. 4 divided by 2 is 2. So the answer is 1/2. What if we're asked to represent 5/4 on the real line? Okay, so first I will take the integers out, and 5/4 is 1 and 1/4. Now I know that this is 0, this is 1, this is 2, and the unit between 1 and 2 has to be divided into 4 equal parts. So I have one integer and a quarter. So this is indeed 5/4. We start this at 0 and we move to the right. Any questions? Any questions? Okay. And moving on. The same question, same, for negative 11/8. So let's work on this for 1 minute. In other words, what do I mean by same? We're asked to represent negative 11/8 on the real line. Take the integers out first. Do we need more time? Okay, so this is a -1 integer and 3/8. But this time we have to go the other way, meaning to the negative side. So -1, -2. So I know that this is -1, -2, so I have to go from somewhere to the left of -1. So I have to divide the unit now into 8 equal parts. And I choose 3 of those to the left of -1. 1, 2, 3. This number right here, this distance from 0 till here, is -11/8. Is this okay? Anybody, please? Is this okay?
Yes.
Okay, perfect. So let's move on. More problems to work on. -1 and 1/7 minus -5 negative 5 and 2 over 35. So let's take a minute on this.